Imagine a world where artificial intelligence powers everything from the devices in your hands to the cars on the road. But behind this AI revolution, there's a battle brewing, a battle between two giants, DeepSeek and NVIDIA. Who will dominate the future of AI? Let's dive in. On one side, we have DeepSeek, a rising star in the AI world, known for its cutting-edge algorithms and innovative approach to machine learning. On the other, NVIDIA, a titan of the tech industry, with decades of experience and a powerhouse in GPU technology. But what sets them apart? And who's leading the race? First, let's talk hardware. NVIDIA has long been the king of GPUs, with their Tensor cores and CUDA architecture powering everything from gaming to deep learning. But DeepSeek isn't playing by the same rules. They're pushing the boundaries with custom AI chips designed specifically for machine learning workloads. Faster, more efficient, and built for the future. While NVIDIA's GPUs are versatile, DeepSeek's chips are laser-focused on AI. This gives them an edge in speed and energy efficiency. But NVIDIA isn't backing down. Their latest Hopper architecture is a game-changer, designed to handle massive AI models with ease. Now let's talk software. DeepSeek's AI frameworks are gaining traction for their simplicity and scalability. They're making it easier for developers to build and deploy AI models. But NVIDIA's software ecosystem, with tools like CUDA and TensorRT, is deeply entrenched in the industry. It's a battle of innovation versus legacy. DeepSeek is definitely the underdog, but their approach is refreshing. They're not afraid to challenge the status quo. NVIDIA has the experience in the ecosystem. They're not just selling hardware, they're selling a complete solution. So who's winning the race? The truth is, it's not that simple. Both DeepSeek and NVIDIA are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. And in the end, it's not just about who comes out on top. It's about how their competition drives innovation forward. The future of AI is being shaped by this rivalry. And one thing's for sure, we're all going to benefit. So who do you think will lead the next wave of AI innovation? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tech updates.